Okay, guys, good morning. Um, the time here is about 9:42, and this is my first video on this channel. What we're going to be doing here is that we are going to be trading a prop firm. That's what we're going to be doing here. So usually as new traders, once you learn how to trade, what you do is that you take your own money and put it into the market and risk it. Like if everything goes wrong, you lose all your money. Um, and worst case scenario, you got to go back to work and you got to find some more money to go and do whatever you got to do. But there are companies out there, like prop firms out there, that will allow you to use fraction of that money and buy access to accounts like 25K, 30K, 50, 75, 100, up to $300,000 accounts. So, and you can use those leverage to make money in the market. And worst case scenario, things go against you and you lose your money, which of course, like, you know, probably all new traders do. If you blow your account, you probably only be blowing about, you know, a fraction of what you were gonna spend in the market anyway. So what we're gonna be doing here is I'm gonna be buying a 150K account. Um, so let me see here if I move. Sorry. So if I move this here, um, up here you see we bought a 150K account from not Tap, sorry, from Take Profit Trader, and we are going to be trading that account. The rule is we got to trade for 10 days or about 2 weeks, 10 trading days, and then make some money, reach that profit target. Our profit target on here is 9K. So what we're going to be doing here every day is that we're going to trade, we're going to try to make profit, we're going to follow that rules, and once we follow that rules to the end, and in 10 days, and after 10 days, they'll fund us, and then we'll be trading real account. They will take 20% of whatever profit we make, and then we will keep 80. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So already this morning, you see there are some marks on there that I've kind of been trading this morning before this video already. Then today is December 12th. Sorry, January 12th, 2023. So our goal is to pass this account in 2 weeks. Okay, already been trading this morning, and I made some profit already. So let me just go shortcut right here. So if I click on here, you see to the left here, I'm up $3,600 this morning already. So the max we can make in a day on this account, they do have a consistency rule. It's 4,500, 50%. So you can't go more than 50%. And the market you see here is very volatile this morning because there was a news this morning, which is I think a CPI news. Let me put this here. If you look on there, you will see that right here. Let me refresh it. But there was a news this morning. Push this camera here a little bit. So yep, so the CPI news this morning what caused the market to move very fast like that. So, but what we're gonna do here, I mean that's already over. I'm pretty sure the market now is like taking a breather. So we're gonna go here and try to find some opportunities and see if we can make some money here on a day. We've already made some money, but we can just make more money. So with my strategy, what I usually do is I use 3 steps or up to 6 steps. But I don't do all that rating and stuff. But I use 3 steps when I get in the market. And first, what I do is since I'm a day trader, I place my trades on a 5 minute time frame, right? So I'll go up here. What I do first do is I first have to find the trend, and I find my trend on the 15 minutes time frame, right? So I'm on the 15 minutes, and if we go up here, I see that the market is very volatile, but let me go up here. Okay, this line is, let me edit this line. Change the color to maybe green. Yep, taking the line a little bit and set this as default. So every time we go to grab that, apply and save it. So, you know, I kind of see this market as a market that's in the uptrend, right? Of course, on the 15, let's see if we go down to 30 minutes. You know, it still shows a strong uptrend. Okay, so then next what I do is, of course, we know the market is in a uptrend, so we want to go up. I don't like having my chart dirty. I don't like too much line on my chart, so that's why I'm going this way. But now after we find a trend, the next thing we have to do. Oh my goodness, my board just disappeared. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Sorry guys, that was, I don't know what glitch was that. But so after we find our trend here, we want to go and see where all this movement could possibly end, right? And as you can see previously here, I've already drawn this out. Look at the higher time frame. I think all this movement is going to end up here. You know, again, it's a prediction or it's a probability. It's not a, oh, because I said this is going to happen. So, you know, it's just my bias. It's just a key level that I see. So I think the movement is going to end up here. And now we find out, now first we find the trend. We know that it's an uptrend. Secondly, we find our high time frame, which is around here at, I presume it's about, you know, 4070 up here at 4070. So let me go into the 5-minute chart and try to find some key levels. We already see that this key level here already been tested, and that was tested because of the market, the news this morning. So we see that had already been tested. So what we are going to do is that got tested multiple times, in fact. And I was going to be looking at this one right here. Let's go up here, reduce this. So yeah, right here is where I was going to be looking at. The next place I was going to be looking at for taking my trades. And the only reason I see that is because I see here there is, and now as we can see that the market is moving over there so fast. It's already been tested, but the market is moving in that zone. So that kind of that's kind of make me want to wait and see if, you know, this is really going to be what I think it is. And we see that it got tested, it's getting wicky, you know. So I'm going to wait around there and see. But right here, this entire place over here, let me try to draw a shape around this. But as you can see right here, I mean, it's ranging basically. And you don't really want to be in a market that's kind of like this, right? I kind of want to stay out of market like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to place, I'm thinking about getting the trade from here. I think this market is going to turn back here. So we'll place our trade. We'll buy up. We'll buy one contract since we're not sure, but we know that the market is going to go up. And we'll just wait here. So
order filled,
trade, guys. And we are going to be risking 87, 81, 6 points here. So if the market go against us, worst case scenario, we'll be losing $300. And if the market and our target, as you can see, our target is like very far. But that doesn't mean I want to have those targets for when I have my trades overnight and I want to take huge profits. But usually once I get in a trade, I adjust my target and stuff like that. And this is the ES. Usually I only trade just trade ES and crude oil. And so as you can see up here right now, we are already up $75, guys, just in less than a minute. But things could go wrong. The market could turn against us too as well. But all we can do here now is just wait. When we see profit, we start to move. Once we see the market going in our favor, we start to move our stop here, right? And just try to take profit. Yeah, so we just try to take profit here. And let's see if we can go and find some opportunity on crude oil. Like I told you earlier that I trade both crude oil and the ES. So the same process. I like to stick with this process, especially when I'm like doing my videos and stuff, because like if you just keep going around and all that kind of stuff like that, it's you know, you lose money and it's frustrating sometimes. So again, so we know that this market is in a strong uptrend, right? But trends don't happen all. I mean, trends always happen, but the thing is, the market's always going to either be, you know, uptrend or downtrend or a sideways trend, right? But and you don't really want to stick in that sideways trend. You always either want to be going short or you want to be going long when you see the opportunity. But the thing here is, we see the market. When is this trend going to end? That's what we want to add. That's what we're going in higher time frame. It's like, okay, this trend, we see that the market is in an uptrend, but when is this trend going to end? So we're going in higher time frame here. My higher time frame, usually I use 1 hour, but we see that this market right here, we'll draw this here. The market is already in an area of resistance. I feel like, you know, it's possible it could go all the way up here, you know, but it's also possible, in fact, it's already tested this place right here and it pulled back. Is it possible that it's gonna just pull back so it can keep going up, or, you know, I don't know. But the fact is, this is not giving an indication that there's a clear path for this market to keep going up. This market is at an area of resistance up here, especially on a higher time frame. So from this indication, it's telling me that the market is basically like slowing down right now. You know, maybe if you want to get into it and take a quick scalp, that's okay. But you don't really want to get in there and try to make and think that you're gonna make a lot of profit. So let's go check on our trade and see. Yeah, so we bought one contract. We are up $300 right now on this market, which is decent. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna take my stop. I'm gonna put it to break even. The worst thing that can happen in this market, and I see the market pulling back harder. The worst thing that can happen in this market is that I would not lose any money. You know, I already protected. So they keep going back and forth. I'm getting tempted to get out because it's, you know, it's $200. I'm gonna take my profit. We already made our money this morning. I'm gonna take my profit. 200 is a lot of money in the real world. So even if I were trading my live account, I see this, I, you know, probably want to take it. But so yeah. So especially if you're sitting at your computer, you see some profit. Of course, you want to protect that profit because like I'm out
Order
of that.
filled.
I'm out of that trade. Probably got out with like a, well, I don't know, like small profit, but that's okay. It's profit, right? At least we didn't lose. But I have a high conviction that this market is going to keep going up. That's what I think. So when we go back on here, and like we're explaining on the crude oil, we see that this market is in a very it is in a place of resistance here. So I really don't want to be going into any trades here right now until maybe tomorrow or the end of the day, when I see that this market is giving me a strong indication that it's going to break out of here and go all the way up, right? So, and it's possible that this market right here, you know, sellers can step in from here, especially here where you see that, like in this area here, where they're beginning all this happen. You see, there's a huge sell here. So it's possible that the sellers are still waiting up here to fill up their orders. So we don't want to stay in that. We want to get out as quickly as possible and keep whatever profit we make. So if you are watching this video, thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe. This is the first video of the channel, and I'm hoping that I can stay consistent with this every day, or at least once or twice a week, so we can make some money on here, all of us together. So now you see, this is one of the things in the market. When you are trading, sometimes you get scared. Fear and greed and impatience is what really kills you when you are trading. So sometimes, especially like when you see that you made some money and then you're losing it, and it's like you take it out and then it started to go in your favor, and like, oh my God, I wish I stayed in it. But then the thing, you didn't stay in the market, and then now it's like go in your favor if you are sure I stay there. But then in the next trade, you get on there and you see the same type of setup happening, and you're like, oh, let me stay in it, and then bang, it could come against you, and then you lose money. So you really want to be patient. But I'm very confident. I shouldn't say confident, but I'm pretty sure this market is going to keep going up here. Like if we look at the ES on the daily here, it keep going up. On a daily chart here, the ES has been doing well all week, basically. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. It was a small red day, basically. Market open here, it went all the way up and then did a huge pullback, right? It ended down. But since Monday, the market has basically been going being in an uptrend, right? So you see, even today, market open here, came all the way down, and the seller from here, pushes up. This might be a bias, but like when I see this kind of candlestick from the previous day, it just gave me a huge bias that, hey, the market is going to keep going up, right? Now, I don't always do that, but like in this case, right, let's say the market came all the way here, and this is where I think I previously drew this yesterday, but I'm pretty sure that this market might, if it's going to turn, it's going to turn somewhere here, which is kind of still, it's really, really, really close to it now, right? So I draw this here. Yeah. So it's kind of close to that now, especially when the market is going around and you want to be careful, right? And if we go back on our 5-minute chart, now we see that it was a good thing that we took off our trade, right? We did make a small profit of, let me see, 89, 87. That was about $100 profit. We took off $150 profit, which was decent. I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind if you're walking down the street and saw the $100 bill. What will you do with it? Pick it up. But all we're getting ready to do right here, right now, and just sit around, sit on our hands, and try to find a good opportunity to make some money. So I'm gonna do this right here. Okay. Yep. So like I told you earlier, you see, minimize that. Like I told you earlier, you see, this zone I was talking about is getting tested hard, and basically, if we're going to be in this trade on, stopped out. Or maybe my stop loss was going to be like right below here. But, I know earlier we mentioned that, this was in an uptrend. Like if you look on a 5-minute chart here, we see that the market is basically making, on a 5-minute, right, the market is making a downtrend. Oh, shoot, what happened? Multimedia. So if you see this and just go buy based off of 5 minute, sell based off of 5 minutes, then that's not good. Okay, that's, I don't know what that's doing, but so anyway, I'm just trying to show here. It's possible this market could get rejected right here in our zone, and it could go up from there. So all we can do is just wait. Let's go back to crude oil and see what they're doing over there. The market is basically like just stagnant right here in crude oil. It's at this dollar point. If we go to crude oil, also we see on the daily chart. Let's see what the market been doing all week. All right, being a strong uptrend. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday there was a huge move to the upside. Actually, the market it did not even make a move down. Like the market opened and just started to head up, all the way up, all the way up. Went up and came almost like half the way back down and closed there. And the market opened here, possibly went all the way up, came all the way down, and went up and closed here. And then yesterday there was a huge, yesterday the market went up like I think $2.50. I don't know what it closed at, but I know it was big. So guys, we are gonna give this here maybe like a few more minutes and see if we can't find any trades. Then we'll call it a day. And then we will be out of here, and then we'll catch you in the next video. Okay, so we're just gonna stick around a little bit. Yeah, this right here still doing what I assumed I was gonna be doing. I'm tempted to buy here because let's go here and see. Yeah, it's kind of, this gotta give me, I don't know. This is just like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I don't know. Just in a range. I don't know what is going on. It's slow. It's scary. I don't want to be a part of it. But also I think it's gonna give us some profit. So maybe two contracts. So let's buy 2 contract here. Buy. I'm gonna close this and make my target small. So 69. I'm gonna be risking 2 points on here, right?
Order filled.
Guys, we just got in the market. Right here. Let's see if we can make some profit from this, right? We bought 2 contracts. I'm gonna leave my desk and then I'll come back and just tell me what this trade been doing. All right, guys, I'm back. So here, the market is still giving us an indication that it's going to be going up. It looks like it's pulling back. Okay, go up, go up, go up, up, up. Let's go up. Keep going. Yes, turn green. Oh no, this candlestick is not listening, man. But anyway, as you can see, we're up $300 already. Market keep pulling back. I don't know what this is about, but oh, 125 now. But yeah, so we can just wait. We're just risking 2 points. It is a lot, but it's not really a lot. We can wait here. We see that we are up $3,800 on the day, 3,900 now. Probably shouldn't be greedy. We should just wait and maybe just get out of this market here, you know, and call it a day or something and not be greedy here. But crude oil is retracing. It is doing a thing up here, you know. Yeah. I think this is gonna go up. It's possible our target. Let me pull the target down a little bit. Possible our target can get hit. Okay. I'm gonna leave this running for a little bit, and I will be back. If we get stops out, fine. And we'll just go sit down. But if we make some profit here, that would be great. I feel like there's still a lot of buyers, but the seller is pushing the market down. We'll just leave it. If we get stopped out, that's fine. If not, we'll just leave it. Okay, guys. So as we can see, you know, patience is one of the best things in this game. So we are up $375 now. Looks like the market came right back down there and retested our entry, and it decided to go back up. So at this point,
Order filled.
we made about 450. That was in about 5 minutes. We were risking 2 contracts on the ES, and we're gonna call it a day. And on the day here, you see that we are up $4,200. The market does not go always this way, guys. Let's see our performance analysis here, guys. So we see here in total today, I'm really proud of myself today. This is kind of weird to see on my first video. I've also been trading before. I've been trading these platforms. I've been failing massively, but I've not been recording them. But I just decided to start recording this video so I can post as a journal for myself, and you know, as an inspiration for other younger folks that want to get into the financial market. It's not hard to do. It's dedication. If you get into it, I'll tell you, of course, for sure, do not quit. You know, do not quit. Of course, do not quit. It's going to get hard from the start, but don't quit. So from our performance analysis here, we see that our total profit we made today was $6,362.50, but we were able to walk away with a profit of $4,475. It's nice because we did not really trade a lot. In total, we traded 108 contract. Our average trade time was 8 minutes. Longest trade time was 35 minutes. I don't know what trade was that. I don't remember. But so this is what I like to. This is my best part, right? If you see where the mouse is right here, you see my largest losing trade was $525, right? Largest, like on one trade, the highest amount I lost was $525. But if we go to the profit, the winning trades here, what we see is that my largest winning trade was $1,500. That's what I like to see. I like that always to either be either a quarter, like it is a quarter, or about a quarter of that, a quarter of my largest winning trade, or at least or about half maximum. I don't like my largest losing trade be 1,500. My largest winning trade be like 1,600. It's just $100 difference, right? So that just that's kind of nice, because then it's telling me that, hey, when you see the market is not working for you, just get out. You're not married to any product, right? You're not married to any of these markets. So we see that in total here, trades and commission and fees and everything, we spent $270 today. That's decent. We traded a lot. And then longest winning trade was 25 minutes. Max run up 47.50. That's what we made today. And this is good. And it's not always like this. In our trade, our percentage, our winning percent was 47. Winning percentage is 47%. Losing percent is 52. The percentage don't really matter. You can lose that 5 times and win 1 time. Let's say if I was in a trade and I was risking $500, right, and I lost like 3 times, that's $1,500. And I won 1 time. My 1 time winning was a 5-to-1, risking $500. That's even if I lost 3 times, right? That's $1,500 I lost. But if I won 1 time with a 5-to-1 winning ratio, I regain my $1,500. I'm still up $1,000. Or let's call it short and say if I was risking $50, and I lost like 3 times, 150, and I won 5 times, I'm still up $100. That's still a decent amount of money, right? You still are in profit. Probably your winning ratio or your winning percentage will probably be like way lower than your losing. But the thing here is that you want to have that risk management where you see the market is going against you, be like, I'm out. You get out, take your profit, either walk away if you reach your goal, or whatever it is you reach it, you out. So it is what it is. This is what we're going to be doing here every day. And I'm hoping I can stay consistent with this, because like I said earlier, that I want to be able to inspire other younger people, or anybody for that matter, that want to get into trading. I'm still doing my 9 to 5, by the way. So one of the reasons I'm trading this account is to be able to leave my 9 to 5. Once I get this account, $150,000 in my account, I can use that and trade full time. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll be here every morning or every day, or at least twice a week, posting these videos. And I will leave my promo code to Take Profit Trader in the comment or in the description below. So if you are interested in learning how to trade, you can reach out to me. We'll learn from each other. I always say that it's free. It's not nothing like clicking the link in my bio type of stuff, and you gotta pay money. Like, I'll help you for free. And then we'll go from there. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out and have a wonderful day. See you next time.